Hello guys, lockpicker mechanic here today with an Era Vier V6-1. As you can tell, the lock works very smoothly. Let's get into picking. So, some cat 1, some cat 2, 3's binding heavily, and I've got 4, 5, some cat 6. I'm going to put some upwards pressure on 6. Okay. Yeah, some cat of 1 now, is it? And we got it open.
1, 2, 3, 4. Lift off and the clock has started.
So as we look at the key pins, we can see that we've got an anti-drill pin in slot 1, and then standards in 2, 3 and 5. But as we look at 3 and 5, we can see we've got some master discs there. But in slots 4 and 6, we can see we've got some anti-bump measures. If we have a look at that pin, you can see that it's got an extra little slot there. And I'll show you 4 as well. Very nice. And then in slot 1, obviously there was a standard. But in slot 2 to 6, we've got these very, very nice barrel pins. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more so you can have a better look at these pins. Okay, so that wraps up the Era Vier V6. Tell us what you think in the comment section down below about this lock. Personally, I think it's actually an alright lock. A little bit more information on this lock is that it's exactly the same as the Smith & Lockey BS1. You can tell, exactly the same keys. It's also the same as the Eurospec BS1. I think Eurospec actually makes these locks, the 1-star and the 3-star. And it's also exactly the same as the Miele, and it's also exactly the same as the Zoo. So make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, I've sure this has been Lockpicker Mechanic. Goodbye.